It's breathtaking video of a tornado touching down in Colorado.
Wow.
Just look at the magnitude of that storm.
Look at that right above us.
This kind of twister is known as a rope tornado and stayed on the ground for 5 heart-stopping minutes.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Storm chasers braved the death-defying conditions to capture the incredible footage.
Being that close to a tornado is an amazing experience, especially like that one. It was twisting and curling, and eventually the funnel went directly over our heads.
The tornado wasn't the only thing wreaking havoc in the area. Golf ball-sized hail also came crashing down, causing dangerous road conditions and severe damage to cars. From hail to tornadoes, it definitely was the wild, wild west with this weather.
Wow.